Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you exactly how to travel from Vientiane to Luang Prabang by train. I will guide you through the ticket booking process and everything you need to know to make your trip smooth and hassle-free. We have arrived at the train station and this place is huge. And right now we are waiting to board to our train. So we got here about half an hour before the train departs. It's the time that they advise. I'm here with my mom and we haven't had our breakfast. We're gonna find something to eat. According to my mom, this shop has the best coffee here in the train station. This is a very long train, goes all the way until there. Right now, let's find our seats. Lao China Railway, it's a recent train actually. The construction started in 2016 and it was completed and operated in December 2021. And the daily cross-border from Vientiane, the capital of Laos, to Kunming in China was only recent from April 2023. So you can easily commute cross-border between Laos and China. And it has also an extension to cross the border to Nong Khai, which is in Thailand. And then we'll be joining the Thai train that can go all the way to Bangkok as well. It would be definitely a long ride from Kunming in China all the way to Bangkok. But I'm sure the scenery must be very good. Maybe something to do on my list. Right now we are in second class. This ticket costs around 330,000. As you can see, the condition of the train is still very new. The reason why the train is not full today most likely is the typhoon Yagi that hits China and Vietnam and now flowing to Laos. You may have heard on the news in the north part of Laos is flooding right now. It may not be the best time to travel, but we booked our ticket in advance already. And we are trying our luck to go to Luang Prabang, and hopefully where we go there will be no flood. How to book the train ticket? So you can either come to the train station here and you can buy the train ticket up to 2 days in advance, or you can also download the apps. I will leave the name below and you can purchase up to 3 days in advance with the application.
Ready for Luang Prabang?
Oh yeah. As soon as you exit the train station, there will be people around here to propose if you want them to drop you off to your hotel. So per person it costs about 50,000. So you don't have to pre-book anything in advance. Just use the service out here. Yes. So we have our car here that's gonna drop us to the hotel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because in my next video, I will be taking you to the top must-visit places in Luang Prabang. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.